Today we are going to look at creating item banks. So all you need to do is go to Canvas and get into any course. And then down the left-hand side in your course navigation, you should see item banks there. And so it shows me that I don't have any item banks. I can look and see if I have item banks for just this course, or that if I have shared banks to this course, which it looks like I have. I can look at just my institution banks. So there's one, and then I can see all, which this is a lot. So if you're going to look through this, you might want to filter and search. But I can create a bank by coming up here and hitting plus bank. And let's say that I am going to create an item bank for 6th grade science. I'm going to hit share, and then I'm going to hit create bank. So now, where did it go? So I can come up here to the drop down menu and hit this course, and right there it is. So I can click on that, and they're saying there's no questions. So I can come over here and hit plus new, and I can add a matching, multiple answer, multiple choice, whatever I want to add. And so I can actually type in the question here and then type in answers here. And let's say that the first one's going to be the correct answer. I can go ahead and add in answer feedback if I want to. I can choose to show the calculator, etc. I can go ahead and align it to any outcomes that I have imported into the course, etc. And then I can hit done. And so that's going to pop up in this item bank. And so I can actually go back up here. I can hit item banks and go back. Let's say that I wanted to look through all the banks. Let's say I'm going to stick with 6th grade. And so I can see that there's the one that I created today. There's one that was created. Maybe somebody started and didn't finish. If I just put in a 6, I can see, oh, look, 6.1, 6.1 quizzes, questions, specific heat. So maybe some of these I may want to look at. Here, this one looks like it was created for 6th grade math. So let's click on it. And so I can actually look through these questions if I want to. And then I can add to it if I want to. But I'm going to come back here and I'm going to share this. And share it with myself and so that I can view it. And then when I do that, I can go to all banks and I can see it again. And then I can pull in questions into a quiz. So let's look at that right quick. So I'm going to go back to my course and go to the quiz. Let's say I want to do this practice quiz 2. Then I'm going to pull some in from it. I'm going to go to build. And I'm going to hit item banks at the top. So I can search for this course, or I can do bank share to this course, or I can do all banks. So if I do that, I can search for that bank that I found that I liked. And then right here, I can do all or random, or I can go through and hit the plus button And when I do that, it pops over into my quiz. So I can actually hit this.
You gotta make this call. I'm gonna be here until you come pick me up. So it's either we stay here and then leave at 3 o'clock to go deal with this.
And so now I have all of these. I can either use all the questions here or I can randomly select. So let's say I want it to be 10 questions. And then I'm going to do 1 point per question. And so it'll randomly select 10 out of the 46 to put into my quiz. And that's how you add and bank questions to a quiz.